Children, welcome back to the second lecture of English language. I am your English teacher Sumayya Khan. Yesterday we have started with the first poem, that is 1.1 Life. Okay, written by Charlotte Bronte, the poetess, who has shown the positive side of the life to us. Okay, yesterday we have done at two stanzas. Now first we will have a revision of those stanzas and then we'll move ahead. Let's have a look. Life believe is not a dream, so dark as sages say. Often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why laminate it fall? See, the poetess takes a positive view of life. She says that life is not a dark dream, as sages say. Okay, instead, a little rain in the morning tells us that the day will be pleasant, the day will be good. Okay, here it's a comparison. It is conveying another message also, that to say if we have difficulties in the earlier days, there will be joyous times also. अगर अर्ली मॉर्निंग ही हमको कोई होप नज़र आता है या सब कुछ तो एक अच्छी गुड न्यूज़ आती है, then we become happy and our hope arises. Sometimes there are clouds of glooms, means sometimes there are problems in the life, but they are for temporary period. Okay, if a little rain helps the roses to blossom, why should we feel unhappy? You know what, if the problem we face make for better times ahead, why should we feel grief? So here it's a revision. Now next stanza which I am going to start today. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Flit very quickly, fast. Gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. What poetess is trying to say? Rapidly, happily. Rapidly, merrily. Rapidly means very fast, and merrily, happily. Life's sunny hours. What do you mean by sunny hours? The good time. Okay, good times and bad times, it's a part of life as we discussed before. Sunny hours मतलब एक अच्छा वक्त, the good days of life, the golden days of life. Flipped by means अच्छे दिन जो है वो बहुत ही तेज़ी से और खुशी खुशी गुजर जाते हैं. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. We all should feel grateful that we should have such time. Cheerily, happily, we should enjoy each and every sunny hour, golden hour which is given by the life to us. I hope you all are understanding. Okay, children? What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? You know, see, everybody, this is very natural. If the person is born, that person has to die. So what though death at times step in and calls our best away? See, it happens. You know what? Death comes in and take away best and calls our best away. You know what? This is a very very common thing. We also experience that we lose our near and dear ones just because of the death. डेथ आती है और किसी ना किसी को जो अच्छे इंसान है उसको ले जाती है. मे बी वी समटाइम्स sometimes we lose our grandparents, great grandparents, friends, okay, and many relatives. So it's a nature's call. We cannot do anything for this. What though sorrow seems to win, and at that time what happened? The life becomes full of sorrow, depression, tension, negativity, sadness. Yes, over hope a heavy sway, and somewhere it decreases the hope in the personalities. हम क्या करते हैं, दुख इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है कि उम्मीदें ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म होने लगती हैं. ओके, what though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What happened? The death comes and it takes somebody away from all of us, the near and dear ones from us, just because of the death. हमसे हमारे अपने छीन लिए जाते हैं. And what happened after that? Everything become negative, sorrow, sadness, depression, all such thing happens. And it controls the hope also. हमारी उम्मीद भी कहीं ना कहीं टूटने लगती है. Understood? Next. Yet hope again elastic springs, but hope is always there आफ्टर सम टाइम सी वेन एवर द टाइम पासिस यू नो वॉट हम बोलते हैं वक्त के साथ सारे दुख कम होने लगते हैं. तो यर ऑल्सो आफ्टर सम टाइम वी ऑल बिकम नॉर्मल एंड अगेन होप अराइजेस, इट राइजेस. इलास्टिक स्प्रिंग, इलास्टिक होना मतलब रीगेन होना. ओके, इलास्टिक स्प्रिंग्स. स्प्रिंग यर टू मीनिंग्स आर देयर. स्प्रिंग एक तो वो होती है जो चीज़ों में होती है, जैसे कि हम यूज़ करते हैं मोस्टली पेन में या फिर इन दी toys you can say. That is one of the spring, and another is the season, and a very pleasant season, as you all know, which arise after winter, and birds, animals, everybody enjoys this. Very pleasant season it is. So yet hope again elastic springs. फिर से जो है वो उम्मीदें जागती है इलास्टिक के साथ. इलास्टिक मीन्स रीगेन. Unconquered though she fell, unconquered, undefeated. If it falls also it doesn't get defeated. अगर उम्मीदें गिरती भी हैं लेकिन हार नहीं मानती. Still buoyant. What do you mean by buoyant? Rising upward. हमारी उम्मीदें बढ़ती ही जाती है. Still buoyant are her golden wings. Still it is rising with a golden wings. उम्मीद की किरणें बढ़ती ही जाती हैं. Still strong to bear us well, and it is very strong to hold us. Okay, उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम, ये हमने सुना हुआ है. तो it is very very important, because just because of this hope only the life and the journey is going on and on. Now as we all know that the COVID-19 is a pandemic is going on, we all are facing so many problems, but still we are having a hope, and just because that hope is holding all of us, we all can say this. Understood, children? Next, manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bears. Manfully, हम bravely you can say. Fearlessly, without fear, बिना डरे. The day of trial. What do you mean by day of trial here? The judgment day. Okay, कयामत का दिन जिसे हम बोलते हैं. The day of trial bear. It will come. For gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear. For gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. We must bear our days or difficulties bravely and fearlessly. For the courage to face our problems can succeed wonderfully in helping us to suppress our despair. Okay, quell means to overcome. Understood? हमें हर चीज़ का अच्छे से सामना करना है और कभी हार नहीं मानना है. Written by Charlotte Bronte. We all should not leave courage. We all should not leave hope. Okay. Let's have again a short recap. I'll just say that life is not a dream. It's full of happiness. It's full of sorrow. Everything is there in the life, but we all should be, ready for all the circumstances, and we should not give up. Okay, this is a special quality which we all should have. So this is only shown in the poem, that don't give up. Ups and downs comes in the life, but you have to go through each and every circumstance of the life without giving up, and hope is always there to lift you up again, and this is only the life. So children, enjoy your life. Fine, here we finish with the lesson with the poem life. In the next lecture I'll show you how to write appreciation of the poem and how to identify figure of speeches from the poem. Thank you.